Ever wonder how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? Or how online stores seem to read your mind, suggesting products you were just thinking about? The secret isn't magic, it's predictive analytics. This powerful technology takes massive amounts of data past behaviors, trends, and patterns and uses it to forecast future outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball for business. Companies can predict customer needs, optimize their supply chains, and even prevent problems before they happen. But it's not just for big corporations. From healthcare predicting disease outbreaks to finance flagging fraudulent transactions, predictive analytics is quietly transforming our world, making it smarter, more efficient, and more personalized. It's all about turning raw data into actionable insights that shape the future. Curious to learn more about the tech shaping our tomorrow? Hit that subscribe button and join the conversation. Thanks for watching.